All right, today we're diving into something pretty unique. A knowledge platform built for the innovators. You know, the people pushing right up against the very limits of what's possible. It's called the Diamond Academy, and it's powered by the Dutch Diamond Group. So let's get into what makes them so different.
So if you're in a high-tech field, you know this feeling. You've got a brilliant idea, a potential breakthrough, but the materials you're stuck with, they just can't handle it. You basically hit a wall. And that's the big challenge, right? How do you unlock what comes next when today's tech has been pushed as far as it can go?
But what if those limits weren't really a dead end? What if there was a way to just smash right through those performance ceilings and keep on innovating?
And that idea brings us right into our first section, unlocking new possibilities.
According to the Dutch Diamond Group, the answer is all about rethinking a very specific material. See, they believe diamond isn't just another component you can pull out of a toolbox. With its incredible thermal conductivity and just extreme hardness, it's actually the key to unlocking a whole new level of performance in all sorts of applications.
But here's the thing, it's not just about the material itself, it's about their entire approach. This is what they call a different philosophy. This quote right here, this says it all. It perfectly captures their whole way of thinking. The standard way of doing things is a supplier hands you a catalog, right? Well, their philosophy is the complete opposite. They're promising a custom-built solution, which really turns them from a simple supplier into a genuine partner in innovation.
So you might be wondering, who are the people that can actually deliver on a promise like that? That's what we'll cover in our next section, the expertise behind it.
Well, it all starts with experience. The Dutch Diamond Group brings a whopping 45 years of deep industry knowledge to the table. We're talking about decades of high-precision craftsmanship blended with some seriously cutting-edge engineering.
And this slide really nails their method. On the left, you've got the industry standard, just grabbing some off-the-shelf parts. But on the right, you see their approach, totally custom, in-house design. In fact, they build most of their own equipment. That gives them this incredible flexibility and total control over the final product.
And the team making this happen is this really cool mix of specialists. You've got natural diamond experts who know the material inside and out, laser technicians for unbelievably precise work, and precision engineers who understand how to make these solutions work in complex, real-world systems.
And here's where it gets really interesting from a technical standpoint, the unique mounting techniques. You can almost think of it like a universal adapter for diamond. It lets them bond it to a huge range of other materials, creating these powerful hybrid components that open the door to applications that just weren't possible before.
Okay, so you've got the material, you've got the expert team. How do they actually bring it all together? It's all through collaboration and innovation. Their process is basically a three-step partnership. First, they share insights about what's really possible with diamond. Then they jump into co-development, working shoulder to shoulder with a client's own R&D team. And finally, they integrate that new solution to innovate together, pushing the client's product to a whole new level. Now, of course, for anyone in R&D, the big question is always about intellectual property, right? And they address this head on. Their entire collaborative model is built on a foundation of trust. They're all about sharing know-how, but with absolute respect for everyone's IP. It's essential. So who is this really for?
Well, this platform is specifically designed for the people pushing boundaries.
To put it simply, the Diamond Academy is a dedicated knowledge platform. It's for engineers, R&D teams, and academics, anyone working right on the bleeding edge of what can be done. It's for those people who need a partner to help them take that next critical step forward.
You can think of it as a bridge, really. It connects these forward thinkers with the super specialized knowledge and custom engineering power of the Dutch Diamond Group, all happening under the banner of the Diamond Academy.
At the end of the day, this platform isn't just about sharing information. It's about enabling creation. And that leaves us with a pretty powerful question to think about. What breakthrough is out there right now, just waiting for the right partner to help bring it to life?